This is Leading Forex. I'm Kofi, your admin. Now, we are here for midweek signals. I'm about to share with you signals for the rest of the week. Today is Wednesday, 24th day of the month, July 2024. Today being Wednesday, we have Thursday and Friday. So I want to give you new signals. The reason is because the Saturday signals I gave you have all hit TP. They have all gone into profit. Do you remember the JPY pairs I gave you? Now, if you are not here on my YouTube channel every Sunday, then I would suggest that every Sunday, try and come to this YouTube channel, because every Sunday, we come your way with market review. We look at possible signals that we can trade in the course of the week. So try to be here every Sunday so that at least you can be able to catch us up, so that any new signal that is posted, you can also enjoy. Now, let's go straight to the chart and look at the JPY pairs, or the signals I gave on JPY. If you remember, I told you I had traveled and I couldn't do the analysis, so I only did a live video and told you that the JPY pairs were going to go sell. So get ready and take them. How many of you took those trades? Now let's go to the chart and look at it together. Now, this is the chart, and this is Euro JPY. Let me zoom in a bit. This is Euro JPY, and today being Wednesday, the last three candles, these are daily time frame candles. So the last three candles are for 3 days, Monday, Tuesday, and today, Wednesday. So look at it. Euro JPY from Monday, this is from Monday here, came down to 517 pips from Monday up to today, Wednesday. Euro JPY, 517 pips. Look at GBP JPY. This is GBP JPY. From Monday up to today, Wednesday, it has also gone sell 545 pips. Now let's look at USD JPY. This is USD JPY. From Monday up to today as we speak, USD JPY has also gone into profit 432 pips. Wow. Now look at NZD JPY. This is NZD JPY. Look at this sell. Wow. So beautiful. From Monday up to today, it has also gone into profit 361 pips. That's NZD JPY. Look at CAD JPY. CAD JPY also went into profit 370 pips. And then AUD JPY. AUD JPY also went into profit 424 pips. Now you remember that it was only Chef JPY I told you not to take. Right? I gave you NZD JPY, AUD JPY, USD JPY, and I also said you can add GBP JPY and Euro JPY, but Chef JPY was the only trade that I didn't give. But even with that, this is Chef JPY. It still went sell. This shows that JPY was really, really very strong, and I saw it. I saw it. That is why I decided to do the live video to tell you guys that, look, I have seen this trade, and I want you guys to take it. So this is how the market has gone. Now, what are the new trades I have for you in this week? Are you ready for the new trades? Now, the trades we are going to take from today are going to be the same JPY pairs. But we are not going to go sell anymore. We are going to go buy. Now, I'm going back to the chart and do the analysis and tell you why we are going buy this time round. Is that okay? And also take note, the buy that we are going this time round is a reversal trade. It is not a trend trade. This is a reversal of the trend. So take note of that. This is a reversal trade I want to give you guys. It is not a trend trade. All right? So the sell is the trend, but we are hoping to see some reversal. And that is the reversal we want to take opportunity. Is that okay? So let's go straight to the chart again and look at what we want to do. Is that okay? So here we are. We are going to look at Chef JPY. Why are we looking at a sell this time round? If we go on the daily, you see that Shell JPY is hitting a support level. This is a support level. Shell JPY is hitting a support level. And since this is in a support zone, we expect to see some buy to the upside. We expect to see some buy to the upside. And that is why Shell JPY on the daily time frame, we are looking at a buy. Now, the support on daily is very strong. Take note. The support on daily is very strong. And this support here is very, very strong. That is why I am requesting for us to do a counter of the trend. So we'll do a counter of the trend by taking a buy on Shell JPY. And then also, we are going to look at USD JPY. The same thing. This is on daily time frame. If you look at USD JPY on daily, you will see that it has also hit a support level. Is that good? USD JPY has also hit a support level. So we expect to see some buy to the upside. This is on daily time frame, okay? And then also, let's look at GBP JPY. This is GBP JPY, and we are seeing the same thing. The same thing on the support level on the daily time frame. So we are expecting to see some buys to the upside. Is that okay? And then which one again? Maybe CAD JPY. Look at it. The same thing. Almost all the JPY pairs are giving us the same indication. Another strong support level over here. And it is in that support zone, CAD JPY. So we are looking at a buy. Okay, we are looking at what? A buy. So these are the trades we are going to look at. So let me write the trades down quickly for you guys so that you take note of them. So the first trade we are going to be looking at is going to be Chef JPY. And we are looking at a buy. Let me give it a buy. So Chef JPY, we are looking at a buy. Okay? And then we will also look at USD JPY, a buy. Where is it? Chef JPY, buy. Oh, it was on this, right? Chef JPY, we are looking at a buy. Good. And then the next one we are looking at a buy is also going to be USD JPY. Okay? USD JPY, we are looking at a buy. All right? So USD JPY, buy. And then GBP JPY too, we are looking at a buy. GBP JPY, buy. So GBP JPY, buy. GBP JPY, also buy. All right? We are looking at a buy on this one too. Maybe, should I add another one? And that may be, maybe CAD JPY. If I should add, that would be CAD JPY. So these first three are my most important trades. The first three I have given. So if you want me to add a fourth one, we may be looking at CAD JPY. So CAD JPY too, we are looking at a buy if you want to. Almost all the pairs of JPY, we are looking at reversal for them. So these are going to be our trades. Chef JPY buy, USD JPY buy, GBP JPY buy, CAD JPY also buy. Now, like I said, this is a reversal trade. So you give it a take profit of 100 pips and then a stop loss of what? 100 pips. Just as we do. A take profit of 100 pips, a stop loss of 100 pips. If you don't know how we do this, you may have to go back and watch our videos on the Sunday market reviews. We have been doing this not today. Maybe you are now seeing it, so maybe you don't understand how we do this. Go back and watch our Sunday market review. There's a playlist for that. Watch those videos. It will help you to understand how we give our signals and then the instructions we attach to the signals. Is that okay? So a take profit of 100 pips and then a stop loss of what? 100 pips. Are we good? So this is a reversal trade. Take note, it is not a trend trade. It's a reversal trade. So do not risk the account too much. give it a low risk because it's a reversal trade. Are we good? Thank you guys, and make sure that every Sunday you meet us on this YouTube channel. Every Sunday, come to this YouTube channel, Leading Forex, and check for our Sunday market reviews so that you will also get trades or opportunities or signals that you can take. It's only here we do this. Is that okay? So take note of this and always meet me here every Sunday. And then also make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel, hit the notification bell so that anytime we post any new content, you will be the first to receive it. Thank you. My name is Kofi, your admin. I'll see you at the end of the week. Maybe during Sunday, we will be reviewing the trades that I have given you on Sunday. And then on Sunday, we'll give new trades again. So we will review this current trades on Sunday and then give you new trades on Sunday. So take note of that. All right. Thank you, guys. I will see you again.